Let's talk about cucumber real quick. You guys call this African cucumber, right? And we just call this cucumber. But this is not the real cucumber. This is the real cucumber, the one made by God, created by God. We met on earth. This lab grown, modified. You can see the difference once you eat it. You don't really feel changes. You don't really see or feel the changes. It's supposed to help you in weight loss, but you can eat so much of this and you feel nothing, like no changes. But this, you eat little of this and you can feel that you started getting that feeling of losing weight already. So why is this not everywhere? You can see it has spikes, right? I'm going to show you. It has spikes. It looks like in Nigeria, it's what they call shop. I don't know what the guys call it. Can't remember the name. So it doesn't look like cucumber actually, because everybody, the whole world is pushing this as the real cucumber. Now I'm going to open this up and let's compare it side by side. So I have my knife right here with me. Now I'm going to open this up. Let's see. Wow. Like even cutting it open, you can see. Oh, so hard to even cut. Jeez. This is my first time seeing this. Guys, look at this. Can you see the seeds? So much seeds. Like it's actually like it's made of seeds only. I want to try it and see. So the seeds are actually very hard. They're strong, like orange seed. So it doesn't, the taste is very harsh. It's very strong. Okay, I'm just going to put this right here. Then let's open this and see the one we're all used to. See, even with the plastic, I'm cutting it and it's opening real quick. You can tell that we're actually eating rubbish. So this is popularly known cucumber. This is the cucumber everybody know. We all know this one. How much seeds is in here? How much seeds in here? Very little. Now, let's compare them side by side. You can see nature, you can see what God did and what man did. Two complete difference. So much seeds in this African one, the real cucumber, compared to the fake one. See the fake one? You can see the difference, right? Now you can tell that we're actually eating rubbish, complete rubbish. Almost the same price for each of them. It's kind of like this one is more expensive. So this is like rare. And I've discovered that the African cucumber, the real cucumber, actually has different colors. There's the yellowish one, there's kind of like pinkish, then there's the green one. But all in all, this is the best. And opening it looks like something you don't want to try, but this is the real deal. Let me know if you've eaten this before, you've tried this before. Let me know your thoughts. And actually, I'm looking for where I can find original banana. You see, the orange we eat these days is also fake. This is how you see how the real orange also looks like. So much seeds inside. And banana also has seeds. Yes, you're hearing it for the first time. Banana has seeds, just like this. Okay, I hope you guys learned something from this video. Let me know your thoughts, share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.